Imaginary Homelands by Salman Rushdie. First of all, we see some introduction to the author. Salman Rushdie is a famous novelist and essayist in Indian English literature. He is the most controversial writer in Indian English literature. He is a writer from diaspora. Diaspora are the writers who write on their own land or homeland and live in foreign land. Salman Rushdie wrote on Indian subcontinent. He became a victim of controversy because of his work Satanic Verses. The publication of Satanic Verses in 1988 caused immediate controversy in the Islamic world because of what was seen by some to be an irrelevant depiction of Muhammad. Salman Rushdie is a British Indian novelist and essayist with a focus on connection and disruptions between the Eastern and Western worlds. He writes predominantly about the Indian subcontinent with a focus on historical fiction and magical realist fiction, which combine real historical events with the fantastical or magical elements. In 2007, he was knighted by the Queen of England for his contribution to literature. Rushdie is also included in diasporic writers who lived in foreign land as immigrants and wrote about their native land. In his works, mainly he wrote about Indian subcontinent. Though Rushdie is best known for his provocative novels, most of which are set in and around India. This book features 74 of his essays which examine issues of migration, literature, and colonialism, socialism and political activism, modernism, and more. This book, Imaginary Homelands, has a collection of essays. The present essay is one of them. In our syllabus, we have this essay, Imaginary Homelands, from this book. This essay contains the same title as that of the book, and we can call this essay as titled essay of the book. The book Imaginary Homelands is divided into six parts: Midnight's Children, Politics of India and Pakistan, Indo-Anglian Literature, Movie and Television, Experience of Migrants, Indian Migrants to Britain, Thatcher, Clout Election, Question of Palestine. The essays in the book Imaginary Homelands are based on the experience of Rushdie and his contemporary time scenario when Indira Gandhi was in power. This essay begins with an image of a photograph in the room where he writes. This essay presents reminiscence of his childhood after visiting his father's house after a long time. He wrote this word. In this essay, we find that he longs to restore his past. When we go through this essay, we see that Rushdie thinks that emigrant writers lost touch with the physical reality of the places in which they grew up. They create imaginary or fictionalized versions of them, that is, imaginary homelands. The memories that are unable to show physical reality are called fragmentation memory by Salman Rushdie.